Yamwachi BM Samu Akwabado Badum TV Badwam so. Or here live on Facebook /Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280. Some near to Joe Mubia Ubetini MPP Ede and Sembia Mayamam Penny John Dramani Mahama. And Sembe ya de Bebro Nafe ya body ransom for Fromo na Abai Eguso Eshe se ene no dumo hodie na what the state of the nation or abre ye no futu no kokobonso akọ ede amano ne nsemi na no pay ye de bro Adom TV Badwam medin de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie said ensem ni twemu ankasa etie MPP mrashebedwafo ede ensemo mama mpani John Dramani Mahama so wonya no kwaredifo e wo next state of the nation na ode betudwa no.
We have a huge unemployment rate in this country. I'm sure he's going to address that. Not because he inherited that, but because he's creating that through his chief of staff. He signed a letter terminating and revoking the appointment of young Ghanaians that have been appointed into various state institutions. The directive was poor, was bad, was malicious. That is my view about that. I'm sure, maybe, probably, tomorrow, I'm expecting that he speaks to that, rescinding that decision that he's made. I think that I'll be glad on that.
Nenso wasan semi nyina ho no ade se dom kese ne de wono wogidi wo mampanyi John Dramani Mahama mu pa se ensema nyamenya adoma wode ba betudwa no ebe ye nsema ebe magana fo nyina enida so.
Well, great expectations which borders on how Ghana is going to roll into the future to reset as he himself has touted so far, and we expect to see the hopes of Ghanaians renewed towards many of the things that are in our manifesto in the area of education, health, agribusiness, etc., etc. So high expectations that we will see all these areas touched on in terms of programs that will be rolled out to actually bring back a lot of enthusiasm, particularly jobs for the youth.
Na wasona ehwono senior research fellow na we executive director da Institute for Fiscal Studies Dr. Said Boache ede tuja chemu ni ehia sa ban no be kanokre said o man ye bobreti no on kanokre na okoka nsem bi enimu a ekwa bi so no betumi ama investors and as one person wo de won dwetire be hyemu no omo ebeja ba kase no etwaso
government budget ni so yeso mo ye projection omo nye ne yi isan say we projection na wa nye ne yi a Emma investor be quite a while, so Ghana for the job budget. No, it is not sending good signal. Because because reduce the deficit, I could do so enquiry, anti critical confusion, anti government projections. No, Emma pepe. So one check corruption. I mean, Sikano, as who consume now they are back at the immuno. Ushin so good, and then you know, wouldn't to me one cranner. Dr.
Kobna Dufonso de Can say
huge balance of people's challenges. The IMF will come in to support you as they're supporting us now. So they don't impose themselves on any country, but they belong to all of us. Every year they will come round, look at your economy, and advise you. And that is what we refer to as Article 4 consultation. If you need some technical support, they'll give it to you. But if you don't need any money, they will not come to you. So the member countries, only few going for IMF financial support. These are the countries who have challenges, especially with the balance of payments.
Electoral Commission Chair Mensa de Togana for nyina say abayo 2 year no mpesua no bi wo ho no ma make say manso ekoso ho ni nyina mu no de atodwa say enche ebeba wiye.
We've started from our field officers, our district officers, all the way to the regional level. And we intend to also meet with our regional leaders and heads in the coming days to undertake a thorough and in-depth examination and assessment of the 2024 election.
What's an insane we saying so to ja?
I would like, on behalf of the Electoral Commission, to present heartfelt congratulations to the National Democratic Congress. You won the elections of 2024 without a shadow of doubt. As they say, nothing missing, nothing broken. And it was clear that you were the winners of the elections. Congratulations.
When she Modena Seno, Mensa started to just say, and some number from Muchess, a brow, the about and sober to Javiano, with you, Manga and Mono, and yet no Cribia, a woman, Ogosua, a woman, and Woodin Juma, say Electoral Commissioner.
As a commission, we have always maintained that our role is not to make any candidate or political party a winner. This is a message that we reiterated time and time again, and it was not lost on us any time we had our meetings with our staff. We highlighted the role of the commission, which was to conduct free, fair, credible, and transparent elections. And I'm glad that our role has been upheld.
Kadem Rashobejani Matamale Central Yunusa Fuseni Deto Abaye Enim se de wo power no bia no onhunu se nipa na wo power no be ye adwuma ni yie se de se fata efi se ho studio na Ghana for editumi ama DC kase no etwaso.
There's a journey between elections and the formation of government. Now, Obian who said that journey and an easy journey. How do you recruit people, right qualified people with that mentality to go into office? Normally, Juma for the success of the government.
And which Omanpenny 44, the Ma 24-hour economy, Augustus Gusitando, and so in the same way say to Ja.
Utum practice to produce in your ma. Said no bow of sing abroad dear. But Ghana for you abroad dear, yet a baby. Now, I dare able to matter a hano, ye trophy abroad for her. What trophy abroad for just a woman or fear on age man, on age man. Dear say, John, who ye started 24 hours, sir, as friends saying, education in the Sakra, as a I'm a Ghana is now painting no ma akwase ye bekani na.
Maminye no so na Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pe de asie da se ye kwaba de bon krata no ene online de no atoso na enese de no ahunu no no ene so ye besa akọ kitchen ho na fe yakọhwe eye fufuo no ne enkwa akro ye de ebramo fi se na watch pepe na se team by this time say na nkwan bi ya steaming namono ama wo se kokomlemle ha nyina no sente na sesa me enkomra e beto so